Hey everyone, this is how I made my Egussi soup. Egussi soup with chicken. Just watch this technique of making Egussi soup. Isn't this beautiful? After frying my Egussi, I add my chicken, steamed chicken. Now this is when I'm putting the meat water, the chicken water. After steaming the chicken, after pre-cooking the chicken. This is what we call Maggi. This is what we call Maggi. And ingredients like spice for cooking Egussi soup to bring out the taste. See, it's boiling. This is Nigerian made soup. This soup you can eat it with garri, you can eat it with fufu, you can eat it with cassava, you can eat it with pap, you can eat it with maize flour, you can eat it with semvita, you can eat it with semolina. You can even eat it with rice. Nigerian traditional Egussi soup. That leaf I'm putting is spinach, because I couldn't find pumpkin leaves, which is popularly known as ugu. Gosh, this food is something else. I'm adding a pinch of salt. So after having a taste, I noticed I still needed a little more salt. I added more water so it could boil very well. This is just to guide you how to prepare your Egussi soup. Don't mind I'm using a very small spoon. I'm used to using a small spoon. You know when I'm gonna make my garri, or you can also use pap, maize flour. I'm also gonna use small spoon to make a turn while making my garri. This is garri while I was making my garri. Now this is popularly called garri in Nigeria, West Africa, like Ghana, Cameroon. Other countries in Africa, you can use like pap to eat it, which is like maize flour, corn flour. I think some even have rice flour, maybe in Ghana. Internationally, commonly, we have semovita, semolina. You can also use. So this is after preparing my garri. See, the garri is well set, well prepared. How we eat this in Nigeria, you mold, you take a cut, you mold, put on the soup and you swallow. But some other countries, like maybe the southern parts of Nigeria, they don't swallow. They cut, put on the soup and they eat it like rice. Ish! This is my Egussi soup ready. I'm about to dish on the plate. Dish into the plate. This is the full well set. What is left? Just to wash my hand and start eating Egussi soup and chicken.